Hi, Jane, how are you?
I'm fine, Sarah. And you?
I feel nervous about tomorrow.
Why? What's happening tomorrow, Sarah?
I have a business trip tomorrow.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm flying to New York City.
That sounds fun and important.
I'll meet someone there tomorrow.
Who are you meeting with?
A man named Kevin Johnson.
I know him. I've met him.
Really? What is he like?
He's nice, but not very organized.
Oh no. That sounds hard.
Don't worry. Just stay flexible, okay?
What do you mean, flexible?
He changes his plans a lot.
That sounds a little stressful.
Yes, but you can handle it.
I hope I do okay.
You will. Just stay calm.
Should I bring some notes?
Yes, that's always a good idea.
Should I print my notes too?
Yes. Bring printed notes and files.
Okay. I'll pack them tonight.
Good. Bring extra copies as well.
Got it. Anything else, Jane?
Try to come a bit early.
How early should I come?
Maybe 15 minutes before the time.
Okay. I'll set my alarm.
Smart. Never be late, Sarah.
What should I wear tomorrow?
Wear something clean and professional, okay?
Like a suit or dress pants?
Yes. That's perfect for business meetings.
I want to look good.
And you will. Just smile too.
I get nervous speaking sometimes.
Practice in front of a mirror.
That's a good idea. Thanks.
Also, speak slowly and clearly, okay?
I'll write down what I say.
Yes, that really helps with practice.
Should I take my laptop?
Yes, just in case he asks.
Should I use PowerPoint or not?
Only if he asks for it.
Okay. He didn't say anything yet.
Then simple papers are good enough.
I'll just keep things simple.
Good plan. Simple is always better.
What if I forget something?
Take notes during the meeting too.
I'll pack a notebook and pen.
That's very smart. Always be ready.
What time will the meeting end?
I don't know. Be flexible again.
Okay. I won't plan anything after.
Good. Don't rush anything tomorrow.
Should I take snacks or water?
Yes. You might feel hungry later.
I'll pack fruit and a bar.
Perfect. Stay strong and feel ready.
Do I smile or act serious?
Smile. But be polite and calm.
Okay. I'll do my best.
That's all you need to do.
Should I ask questions tomorrow?
Yes, but keep them short.
What if I don't understand something?
Ask him nicely to explain again.
Okay. I'll say, could you repeat?
Yes. That's polite and easy.
Should I email him after?
Yes. Send a thank you message.
What should I say in it?
Thank him and say you enjoyed.
Should I send any files too?
Only if he asked for them.
Got it. Keep the email short.
Yes. Clear and short is best.
I feel better after talking now.
I'm happy to help you, Sarah.
You're a great friend, really.
And you're very ready for this.
Do you know the CEO too?
No, but I heard about him.
Is Kevin close to the CEO?
Yes. He's actually the CEO's son.
Wow. That's a surprise for me.
So try to be extra polite.
Okay. I'll stay calm and careful.
Just treat him with respect, always.
I will. That's a good tip.
You'll do great. I just know.
Thank you for saying that, Jane.
You're welcome. You've got this, Sarah.
Should I prepare business cards too?
Yes. Bring a few with you.
Okay. I'll put them in my bag.
That's smart. Always good to carry them.
I feel more ready now.
That's great. You're doing everything right.
I still feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
What helps you feel calm before?
I drink tea and breathe slowly.
I'll try that tonight before bed.
You'll sleep better with a calm mind.
Should I wake up really early?
Yes, give yourself extra time tomorrow.
Okay. I'll set 2 alarms tonight.
That's perfect. No rushing, no stress.
What if traffic is bad tomorrow?
Leave your place earlier than usual.
Okay. I'll order a taxi early.
Great. That's a smart move.
What if I feel too tired?
Eat something healthy before the meeting.
I'll eat eggs and drink coffee.
That sounds like a strong breakfast.
Should I bring my charger too?
Yes. Always keep it in your bag.
I wrote everything on a checklist.
Nice. That helps you stay prepared.
Should I bring perfume or not?
Just a little. Nothing too strong.
Good to know. Thanks again.
You're welcome. You'll do amazing tomorrow.
I'll tell you everything after meeting.
I'll wait for your message then.
Okay. I'll try to stay confident.
Yes. Just remember to smile, too.
I'll try to enjoy the moment.
That's a wonderful attitude, Sarah.
You've helped me more than you know.
Anytime. I love helping my friends.
I'll sleep early tonight for sure.
Good. Don't look at your phone.
I'll turn off notifications before bed.
That helps. I do that, too.
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
You are more ready than ever.
You give great advice, really.
I'm glad it helps you, Sarah.
See you soon after the trip.
Yes. We'll chat more next time.
I'll bring you a souvenir, okay?
Haha, I'd love something small.
A keychain maybe? Or some candy.
Candy sounds great. Thanks, Sarah.
I'll make sure it's something special.
You're the best. Safe travels tomorrow.
I'll message you when I arrive.
Please do. I'll be waiting.
Wish me luck one last time.
Good luck, Sarah. You'll do great.
I believe in you so much.
I'll remember your words during everything.
I'm always here when you need.
You're a great friend, Sarah.
And you're going to shine tomorrow.
I hope so. I really do.